Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Timmy Skin Glow, and of course we do everything skincare on this channel. I do simple DIYs, product review, and of course I share skincare tips with you to help you achieve your desired skin goal. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. To my existing subscribers, thank you so much for supporting me on this channel. I really appreciate your love. Okay, so yes, we have our skincare product as well. Timix Skin Glow product are readily available for immediate delivery, and we deliver worldwide. Distance is never a barrier. Distance should not stop you from glowing. Our products are effective, and of course they are pocket friendly. So whatever skin condition you have, whether you want to treat a stretch mark or green vein or acne, or whatever you want to lighten up, you want to tone, you want yellow undertone, you want white undertone, you want to maintain your melanin skin, or you want something for caramel, we have this product available. So please send a message to the WhatsApp number on the screen and you will be attended to. We also have our skincare training. We offer training on natural skincare formulation. Of course, that is the category, that is the class you make everything from scratch. Natural skincare formulation class, and the recipes are so effective. They are my customized recipes, customized formula. It's a 2-week class for that category. If you are interested in pro mixing, you want to pro mix, you don't want to make from scratch, but you want to be able to pro mix very effective skincare product without any skin condition, then yes, get our pro mixing ebook. I've prepared the recipes for you for whitening, soap, lotions, scrub, facial cream, treatment of acne. If you want to learn how to premix those very effective products, then get the premixing ebook. We also have ebook for whitening base cream. If you want to be able to make your own whitening base cream from scratch, get my whitening base cream ebook. You want to learn how to make natural body enhancement products, butt oil, feminine boobs cream, natural weight gain supplements. So many are in the ebook for natural body enhancement products. So you can get the ebook as well. If you want to make your own activator oil, the ebook is available. So please send me a mail, or send a WhatsApp message via the number on the screen. You will be attended to. So today I'm going to talk about acne and acne scars. I'm going to share with you the product, very powerful product that works so well for treatment of acne and acne scars. And when I say this product is powerful, it works from 1 week. From 1 week to 2 weeks, you start seeing real results. It's one thing to get rid of your acne, and another thing to get rid of the acne scars. When you have acne, it tends to leave scars on your face, and you really want to treat the acne and treat the acne scars as well. And that's why I'm bringing to you my skincare product for treatment of acne. It's an acne treatment kit. The set comes with a facial cream like this. This is the facial cream for treatment of the acne and acne scars. And of course, this is the soap. It also has a facial cleanser. This is what it looks like. So these 3 items make up the acne treatment set. It's very powerful, so potent, very, very effective for treatment of your acne and acne scars. So if you really want to get rid of those acne and acne scars, you want to treat them, make your face flawless again, then this acne set is just what you need. Now, this facial cream is very good. It contains dioic acid. It contains retinol. Retinol was used at 0.5%. And it contains other natural ingredient that helps to tackle that acne and acne scars. I'm going to tell you how to use them towards the end of the video. This is the soap. This soap contains MSM, it contains salicylic acid, activated charcoal, and other natural ingredients. It works so well. Target your acne, get rid of it, and it also clears off the acne scars from your face. This is a facial set, okay? It's for treatment of facial acne. And of course, it comes with this facial cleanser. This cleanser has azelaic acid and other natural ingredients that tackles acne and acne scars. So this here it's a bomb too. So I'm going to tell you how to use this product for optimal results, and I'm also going to tell you what to do to prevent your acne from coming back. I'm also going to tell you why you are suffering from acne. So kind of watch this video to the end. Now, if you're getting this my acne treatment set, here is what you should do. First of all, you wet your face. and then you rub this, use the facial soap, the acne soap, to rub all over your face where you have the acne. Make sure you rub it till it lathers well, and then leave it for 3 to 5 minutes before you wash off. Okay. Now, after washing off, you get a facial towel. You should get a facial towel that is different from your body, from the one you use for your body. You don't want to transfer germs to your face. So get a special facial towel for your face. If you don't have one, try to get one. It's really going to help. Now, after shower, after using the soap, that's when you use your facial cleanser. Some people use their cleanser. Some people don't know the right way to use cleanser for optimal results. Some use their facial cleanser before the shower. It's wrong. You are washing off the ingredients, you are washing off the active. You are not letting it do the work for you. Facial cleanser should not be washed off. This facial cleanser is a leave-on. So after using the soap, that's when you come on with the facial cleanser. You pat your face dry, of course, and then you use this facial cleanser to cleanse all over your face where you have your acne. Clean it very well, and then you follow up with this our facial cream. It comes in the set. So if you're getting the acne treatment set, these are the 3 items you're going to get. This facial cream is so powerful. It treats acne, scars, and it also treats sunburn, facial redness, okay, hyperpigmentation. So if you are battling with any of those ones, you can get the set. If what you want to treat is just facial redness or sunburn, then you can get only this facial cream. And we're going to give you a different facial soap to pair with it. You don't need this for sunburn treatment. It's for acne. Now, if you are battling with acne, this is something you should do, especially if you're having reoccurring acne. Some people have acne because they naturally have acne-prone skin. So no matter what, they tend to break out every now and then. So how do you prevent this from coming out, from coming back again? You should know your skin, know if you have acne-prone skin, and then make sure you have special products you use on your face. If you know what worked for you, stick to it. Sometimes while we have acne, okay, apart from having acne-prone skin, it could also be because of stress. If you are stressed out, you can break out. Okay, so stress can lead to acne. For ladies, when you're observing your monthly flow, it can also cause acne for you. So some people tend to have acne during their monthly flow. Some, they tend to have acne when they are pregnant. During pregnancy, they have acne, okay, serious breakout on their face. So it can be because your acne could be because you have acne-prone skin, or as a result of stress, or because you're having your monthly flow, or maybe because you're pregnant. It could also be as a result of changing facial product, skincare product. If you change your skincare product, you're trying out something new, maybe because of the ingredient there, it can cause acne it can give you acne. Another reason could be when you change your makeup product. When you change makeup product, you change the makeup brand you are using, it can cause acne. Of course, it could be the ingredient used. Another reason could be makeup brushes. If you always do makeup, how often do you wash your brushes? How often do you wash them? If you are doing your makeup yourself, you should wash your brushes as soon as you are done with the makeup. That's makeover, of course. If you are not doing it yourself and you're going to a makeup studio, please go with your own brush. Go with your own makeup tools. Because going to a makeup studio and you allow them use the makeup brush, the makeup tools they've used for other customers on your face. Maybe they just finished with customer A immediately, and then you are next in line to be attended to. Maybe that person has some sort of breakup or whatever on their face, and immediately they just start attending to you with the same brush and everything. My dear, you are going to break out. So try to get your own makeup brush. Okay, whatever it is you are using, your makeup brushes, of course, it comes in a set. Try to get your own. And if you are doing your makeup yourself, make sure you always wash your makeup tools as soon as you are done. Another thing is to get your face towel. Get your own face towel. Don't use the same face towel you use for your face, for your body. Get a separate towel for the body and get a different one for your face. Okay, you should also make sure your pillowcase is clean every now and then. Don't just have one pillowcase. Change your pillowcase often. Sun your pillow, put your pillow out in the sun, make sure the sun hits it well every now and then, because sometimes when you sleep you tend to sweat. If you are changing just the pillowcase and the pillow is still there like that, these things can cause breakout for you. There are so many reasons, but these are the common reasons for acne. Okay, these are the common reasons that makes us break out. So if you can follow the tips I just shared with you on this video, you are not going to have acne again. Even if it's something you have very often, you're going to see maybe in the long while, you're not going to experience having it. If you are having it and you want to treat it, you want to get rid of the acne and the acne scar, please get this acne treatment set. This is a magic. This is a bomb. This set is a bomb. You just see it, it looks so small, but this is, I call this set small but mighty. It's so powerful. You can go through the our Instagram page, check the highlight section. You're going to see so many reviews on this product. This is really a bomb. This product is so powerful. No matter how long you've had that acne scars, it could be you've had it for long, maybe for a year or for 2 years or for months now. You've tried so many products, but you see your acne is getting worse by the day and you feel no hope for you again. Please come to me, send a message to us. You'll be attended to. We deliver worldwide. Our products are available. This product is going to get rid of your acne for you, and it's going to clear your face, give you a very sweet, flawless skin. You're not going to see those scars there again. Check our page for reviews. Check Timix Skin Glow on Instagram. You're going to see lots of reviews from our customers worldwide who have used this product. And if you have any question, please share with me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow Timix Skin Glow on Instagram. And then like this video, share this video, subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.